Guys, welcome back to Android tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to register multiple views into a single events. So in order to do that, just create a new project. Here I already create a new project called registering events project. So it is the main activity of that project. Here is a text view is present. I just delete that text view. I just adding two buttons here. Okay, I just add two button to the activity, and now I have to change the here is the ID of button 1 is button 1, and that for button 2 is button 2. I just change the label of the button as first button is button 1 and second button is button 2. Okay, now I have to create the action and object of this button on the Java class file. So go to the package. Here is the main activity.java file. I have to create two objects for the button here. So I just create two button object b1 comma b2. You have to import button here. Now I just link these objects to the ID on the XML file. So in order to do that, b1 is equal to I using the method find view by ID. It is add dot id dot before I have to save it. So, okay, so we r dot id dot button 1, again b2 is equal to find to view by id r dot id dot it is button 2. So I have to cast the object here. Okay, now I just create two button object and I just connect the button object with the ID on the XML file. Now I have to create an anonymous class to act as a button click listener for these two buttons. So the next step, I have to create an anonymous class for acting as click listener for these buttons. So I just create an anonymous class here is on click listener. Here it is the object be listener is equal to new on click listener. The semicolon is needed. It is because it is anonymous class. I have to import the on click listener here. So you have to implement the override method here. So this is a public, this is a method that listen for the action listener from the listen for the object from that button. So now I have to register these view components to this event. So b1 dot set on click listener, it is b listener, again b2 dot set on click listener, again it is b listener. Okay, now I have to get which button whenever user click the button, uh, we will get the identification of the button from this object called view object v. So I just create a string here, string label. I have to get which button is clicked by the user. So I just create a string here, string label is equal to v dot get text. Okay, but we have to cast it here. it is a button object, so I just cast it here. Also I have to convert it into string. Okay, now I just display this label using a toast dot make text. Get the base context, just print a message here. You click plus label. Next you have to specify the duration of the toast dot. You just make it as long, so now make the toast visible. So okay, that's fine. This is how we register views into a single events. That means we have to registering events for views. Okay, now this is the time to check the project, so I just run the project. Okay, here the project is launched on the emulator, so I just click the first button. You can see a toast, you click first button, and I click the second button, you just click the button 2. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for further video updates. Also you will get the complete new notes and details of these topics from my blog. My blog URL is given under the description of this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.